We are in New Jersey for the championship King of the Backers race. What you think so far, Dad?
Hey, it's a gas pedal. They're doing it up here.
They are doing it. So get the V-Twin Visionary tent. All the cool stuff over there. Bam, bam, bam. All right. You may have seen some reviews of these parts on here on the illustrious V-Twin Visionary YouTube channel.
Yo, yo.
And this is the infamous and famous Jeff G. Holt.
How are you, sir?
I'm doing well, sir. How about you? How are you?
Good, man. Good to see you.
All right, thank you.
How you
Good to
been?
see you. Good. I'm doing well. I'm doing well.
Good, good.
This way. So that's the reigning championship bike right there. The infamous 131. How's everything? How's everything? All right.
Hey, man, good. I got a gift for you.
Oh! Not gonna take it, Larry?
Not taking it.
Go ahead, Larry. Hey! Say thank you.
I did hear that the best grandfathers ride Harley.
See?
You're not wrong. You're not wrong.
All right.
Is that your grandpa? Is he the coolest?
He just woke up. We had a long ride.
Oh man, where are you guys in from?
DC.
Okay.
Came up from DC.
Very cool.
Yeah.
You gonna have fun today?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. I bet you will. Once you wake up from that nap. You think you'll ride something like this, little man?
Hey, man, go worry about it for you. So for the Harley ride out, that's what happened.
I'm sure he will. I'm sure he will.
I have faith in it.
I take you up on that.
See, like I said, the world is small. Like you said, your
Yeah.
fiance has family in Savannah,
What part
and my
of
wife was from Cleveland.
Yeah.
Like, not saying that your wife and my wife are like cousins or
Right,
anything,
right.
but like, stranger things have happened. But thanks, fellas. Good meeting you guys. I definitely stop back through. Thank you for the stickers and all. Yeah.
Take it easy, man.
Hey man, sorry for. Hey man, my bad that you're from Cuyahoga County.
You want to go in the trailer?
Oh sure, yeah.
The bike's in the trailer.
Ah, okay. So yeah, so we're with the guys, with John Dahmer from no other than
Dark Horse, Holben Brothers.
Dark Horse Crankworks, and this is the
Well, this is
Dark
really
Horse /
Daytona
Bruce.
Harley Davidson Holben Brothers Racing.
okay. Holman Brothers Racing.
With Nano War motor products,
Ah, okay.
which highlights some of Dark Horse's
Right.
product.
YouTube channel is called Build Ride Repeat, and
Build, ride, repeat.
Build Ride Repeat, and I bought a Man of War from you. I gave you a call and I talked to you, whatever.
A motor sprocket, per se?
No,
Crankshaft.
actual crankshaft, yeah. I have a 2001 Road King, so I did the Man of War and zippers. Dan, and I'm in DC, but I'm right there next to Elkridge with Dan.
Yeah.
And
He's a prince, isn't he?
yeah, so they did my Muscle 107.
Some product.
Sweet.
You know, a lot of guys in the paddock run our stuff. So.
Oh, sweet.
Aha.
It's going on my helmet.
You don't even have a Man of War yet.
It's going on my helmet.
Tortilla chips. Automatic. Hey, see? See how small the world is? Friend, how you doing, sir?
Good, sir. How are you?
I'm doing well.
Good.
This is, of course, my 3-year-old now.
Yeah.
And this is Big Larry.
How are you, sir? Hey, man.
Nice
How's
to meet you,
everything?
finally.
All right.
Heard a lot about you.
Yeah.
You know you cost your daddy a kitchen.
Yeah, pretty much.
trying to remember what places were when they were in Sturgis.
There you go, Larry. So, just so you know, I know, don't talk to strangers.
Come on, Larry.
Thank you.
Look,
He's like, he ain't touching that.
just woke up. Awesome, awesome.
So, just so you know, Larry, it's legit, okay? So that's me racing in Sonoma. Well, now we'll take that and be like, there's a cow on that motorcycle. I like cows. Here's on the back side is a discount code for you.
Okay.
Instagram, call us, or you can go to the or email us.
Okay.
For parts. We
Okay,
ship
cool
parts all over the United States.
Awesome,
You
awesome.
ride Harleys.
Josh Hayes working in that mix and back and forth, back and forth.
Busy. I didn't get to see her.
Almost poultry.
Hey, how y'all doing? How you doing?
Impossible speed.
It's my son Larry.
How you doing, Larry?
Kyle, and this is Travis,
What's up, Larry?
champion, and this is his brother.
That's the champion elect.
Champion elect. Okay.
How you like those chips?
Oh yeah, he's eating the mess out of them. Thanks so much. Appreciate it.
Yeah, well,
All right. Thank you. So that was the champion and the champion elect for King of Baggers Racing.
Nice day, Moto. Find us on Instagram.
So, can you do a quick rundown on Nice Day Moto?
Alright, so we are a coffee/motorcycle startup based out of New York City, Lower East Side specifically. Coffee is our fuel, and wherever we go, we try to bring a little bit of just that wild cafe racer attitude. So yeah, we love partnering with Ducati for all sorts of events. We do a lot of their track days, so you can usually find us at the Pocono Raceway whenever they have their Ducati track days.
All right, cool deal.
And whenever we do so, we hand out free coffee like that.
All right, cool deal. Appreciate it.
Get filled up.
And I'm not going to tell you that he just said that. I didn't know if Matt could still ride. I actually knew how to ride full-size bikes. Oh yeah. They still,
I can.
well, not even that you rode little bikes. He's like you always working on little bikes.
I do like smaller bikes.
Don't worry about it. He made fun of me for the live wire too. So.
We do too.
Right. No, what? Oh, you don't?
Yeah. I'm the guy with stickers.
You really don't have a bike? Yo, Matt. This guy really doesn't have a bike?
What's that?
This guy really doesn't have a bike?
Took it from.
We can get you Air Maki or something.
I'm the equal opportunity hire.
Oh,
You got all
man.
these pretty girls and then me. Sticker guy. I got finger guns.
Finger guns and stickers?
I'm telling you.
All right, we're going to get things kicked off here at the Unknown Industry Stock Show. Sponsored by Iron Man, so we'll get these guys out here, get it warmed up, introduce them to you in a lot of plays. Nick Leonetti. Dragging that leg all the way down the board.
They're going to get an opportunity. If they would have had sometime during the weekend the opportunity to test those tires, then they would just do their normal starting procedure. But because the rain waited till this final day, now we're doing this. And, Nicole, the Moto America crew, we saw it coming. They sent out a bulletin earlier, and it's happening just like this. So they'll get 7 minutes. They'll pull it in. They'll get ready, do whatever preparations. If it were dry enough, they might even throw slicks on. That's not going to be the case. They're going to be on past that point now. They're going to be on the wet.
wet. The mixed conditions are a little bit tricky to plan a setup for, so certainly it's a little bit better than the ladder.
Party forward!
Well, it appears that Indian may have actually won the championship because of the points difference and everything. And Travis Wyman's spill earlier. So there's a 3-point difference between Indian and Harley Davidson. But, you know, so unfortunately I'm probably gonna have to hear from a bunch of Indian guys about Indian this, Harley that, or whatever, but it's whatever. Hey! Yeah, I want to congratulate you guys because the race wasn't out here, the race is back here. This is the best race out here. So congratulations.
Thank you. Hey, thanks
I
for
appreciate
busting your ass, guys. Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Yeah, they was rushing, wasn't they?
Yeah.
They was busting some ass.
Yeah, like I said, that was the best race.
On your board, number 10 was out. What was going through your mind, and did you end up backing off the pace a little bit?
That's funny. I never knew that. I had no idea the Travis was out. To tell you the truth. So fortunate and grateful for this opportunity. The Indian motorcycle, Indian Challenge is awesome motorcycle. Being part of the Indian legendary brand.
Michael, it is your first podium of the season and certainly the first race out there.
Coming in second today, riding division 2, President Cycle, Indian Challenger team out of Honolulu, California. The 2022 King of the Mountain champion, Mr. And your race winner today, right here in HD City, we're taking off massive out of New York, Mr. Kyle.
Dude, grab that hardware supply by your head. Come on, New Jersey, this is the second to last time. I want to hear you big time. Let's go.
Congratulations, guys.
Right on.
Good to see you. So, we got Jeff G-Hope.
Yes, sir.
So, Jeff.
Yesterday's race, well, we thought Cody Wyman had
Tell me what's up.
Fortunately, unfortunately, Indian won.
Right.
What does this mean for next year?
I mean, for me, it's more of the same. More bigger competition. Everybody, you know, there's going to be a ton of, you know, people hard on Indian, people hard on Harley.
Right.
And I mean, here we go. Like, guess what? You know, Tyler had it year before last.
Right.
Harley had it this year. Like, it just keeps going back and forth. It's only going to get crazier.
Indeed, indeed. So, anything planned specifically with V2 Visionary?
As far as V2 Visionary, pretty much, you know, we talked to Moto America. We'll be at everyone next year. Definitely with Harley Davidson, we'll be at all these events. And of course, Sturgis, Daytona, all the rest of them will be out there.
All right. Are you guys going to be at any East Coast event?
Yes, pretty much. I'm pretty sure we're going to be at Laconia.
Okay.
We'll be at Myrtle Beach for sure, and then Daytona.
Awesome. Well, I hope to see you around.
Yeah, man. Thank you so much, man. Keep doing what you're doing.
Appreciate it. All right.
Good now.
Yeah.
He had a crash.
So, yeah.
He's out of this championship.
There you go.
5 points of
That's the synopsis, whatever it is, for the whole series. Bigger and better next year. It's going to be even crazier next year. But if you like stuff like this, make sure you're subscribed and have the notification button on, whatever, all that kind of stuff, whatever. But make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Share this video and all that kind of stuff. And see you on the next video.
Stand up on the tank.